What if I told you you can build a free website or landing page in a matter of minutes using AI? We are officially in the AI age, and if you guys are not getting tapped in with AI, you're getting left behind. And people are now doing what took weeks and months to make in a matter of a few minutes. Many of you guys probably know Canva for you creating on their platform. Now Canva can create for you based off what you tell it. It's insane. Just to show you guys even just a little bit. This is one thing I created just for my YouTube video, a little graphic. I said create a graphic for my video that represents me getting paid. And this is what it designed for me in a matter of like 20 seconds. I'm also going to show you my coaching offer that I asked Canva to make. And this is exactly what it came up with right here. You can claim your free strategy call. It talks about what I did, my credentials. All I did was literally type this in. None of that fancy stuff you see on the screen, I did none of that. So this video is going to be a simple walkthrough of how I use AI to build me an own landing page and website in a matter of just a few minutes. And we'll make sure you guys hit that like button if you haven't already. Let's get to it. So what you want to do first, you want to open ChatGPT. And once you open ChatGPT, I have 2 prompts that you can use. If you have no idea really how to format your niche and how to explain your niche, I have a prompt for you that will help you find your niche. And if you already have your niche, I have a prompt that you could just type in your target audience that you're aiming for, and it's going to help you build out a layout for your website. So the first prompt goes something like this. It goes, I'm designing a landing page for my business. Help me create an outline for my page. I want to have a headline, subheadline, what you'll get, testimonials and proof, and a call to action. What I do is blank, and then you fill in the blank of your niche and what you help and how you serve people. The other prompt that I created for you guys is basically the first part. I'm designing a landing page for my business. Help me create an outline. And it says, instead of that last part, it says, ask me some questions about what I do for each of these sections so I can help you how to format it. And when you enter this one, the cool thing is, or here, or pay $4.97, whatever, right? And when you scroll down, it's going to say, do you want to start going through the questions first? So it's going to run you down every single section. If you use the other prompt, it's create a format for you based off what you told it. So for me, it created a headline for me, subheadline, what you'll get, clarity, personal brand growth, monetization strategy, accountability, support, testimonials. It made up this little fake testimonial here. So what I would do essentially is copy this text right here. I'd copy everything, and I'm gonna make a test one for you guys. This isn't actually what I'm offering. I have my real website page in the description. So I'm gonna copy this part, and now it's time to put this on Canva. Canva has an AI feature. It's pretty insane. So when you go on the home page, right, you'll see this page right here, and now you got a Canva AI section right here. So you'll tap this. It's gonna say describe your idea and bring it to fire. Here's where we cook. All right, I want to create a landing page for my business. Create for me a page based off this outline. And then you'll pretty much just paste it in, right, from what you got with ChatGPT. Press enter. You guys are going to see how long this takes. It's not even funny how crazy AI is, right? I don't know code. I struggled with code in high school. I ain't gonna lie. But we got code right here. It's doing it for us. It's pretty much automated everything in. And oh, here we go. Wow. Earning online. This is just a demo, right? Just to show you guys, this is unbelievable. Earning online. Book your free discovery call now. Now, here's what you get when you join. You get clarity, direction, personal brand, monetization, accountability, support, and then you have book your free discovery call. 100% free, no obligation, 30 minutes. This is so cool. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I did. I had to figure out a little bit okay, this is cool, but how do I make these buttons work? Because you can press the book your discovery call now. It brings you down here. Now you click, nothing works because you don't have a discovery call, right? It's not hard at all. What you want to do is go on Calendly.com, Calend, and then .ly. And on this website, once you sign into your Google, you can just create free schedules. So I created a 30-minute one-on-one meeting. I just copy this right here, and you guys can take the process to do that. Go in then Canva, and you can attach this link to the button now, because as you guys can see, schedule call does not work. I'm clicking it, nothing's happening. But if you go on Canva and ask for the button, schedule my call now, use this link. Bam, paste it in. Now it's gonna pretty much just process this whole thing. If those people who are working jobs and you don't have time to really sit down and build a website, this thing literally just does it for you. Look, click the button. Come on, man. This is unbelievable, bro. Now you can schedule a free call. I work with young creators like you to find their passion, grow on YouTube, and make income online. If you're interested in that, this call will help you figure out this is a fit for you or not. And now we can just pretty much select a date. Say, oh, I'm free on the 16th, 3 o'clock. Okay, 4:30. Cool. Next. Yeah, this is so cool, man. It's unbelievable. I wanted to make a landing page for booking a call, but if I ever wanted to make something like a business offer where people can pay me up front $500 and get this product or get this course from me, you can do that too. You can ask ChatGPT, instead of building a landing page for a discovery call, you can have it build a landing page for an offer. And if you have an offer out there that you want to put out, then you can just customize it. ChatGPT only puts out what you put in. So whatever you say to it, it's going to do for you. If you tell it to tell you the time, it's going to tell you the time. If you tell it to give me all lists of the time zones, it's going to do that. So you have to be specific with chat. But this is honestly like one of the coolest things ever. And if you don't, like, for me personally, I ain't gonna lie, if I was using this site, this first slide is kind of, I don't know. I would say, instead of saying, which I don't know why it's saying that, I literally asked it to put in a headline. What the heck? I'm pretty much just going to re-ask it to say this instead. I think because I gave it a bunch of options, that's why this didn't work. Instead of saying early online, say, feeling stuck, find a direction, go into influence, and start earning now. And I want to try something. Create a nice white and orange pattern slide on the first one. Let's see. I don't even know about this color pattern thing, but you could just put in whatever you want with this AI thing. It's unbelievable. Oh, and I should say this too. You only get up to 20 versions per day. So if you're on the free version, you get 20. And if you're on the paid version of Canva, you get 50 version updates per day. Here it is. Here's the website. Here's the pattern and everything, as you guys can see. Once again, I don't know this is necessarily my style. I just generally just wanted to see what it would do with that prompt. So, and honestly, that is a very, very long headline. I think I want to change it to something just more simple, right? I don't want it to be so complex. Change the headline on first slide to find your true fire. That's what I have for my main thing anyway. So it's going to update the main headline text, and the fourth slide is going to turn back to orange instead of being purple. So as you guys can see now, it's version 4. Find your true fire, grow your influence, start earning now. It kind of explains what I mean by this. And when you press book your discovery call, here we go. That thing updated mad fast. And you guys see this slide right here. These are not real testimonials. So what I want to do is for slide 3, change the entire page to display my success stories. If you have success stories of your own, even if they're minor, even if you think they're minor, they're actually more important than you think. I used to kind of downplay my old YouTube channel because for me, my goal was always to hit 100K, and 30K was great, but it always felt like I was 30% to 100. But when I would tell people I had 30, they're like, dude, what? Like, that's insane. And I'm not going to downplay that no more. You know what I'm saying? All glory to God. But this isn't even a flex. It's just to showcase what you've done and what you've been able to do. So whatever it is, big or small, right? Showcase the fact I've been on YouTube for 10 years, 30,000 subscribers on my gaming channel, and I've made over $20,000 online. So it's gonna pretty much just take out these like testimonials, because I don't have any testimonials yet, which is okay. Talk about what you have done, even if it's the simple fact that you have a YouTube channel. You can just showcase, you can say like, this is my YouTube channel, and just have proof of the fact that you do what you do. You don't want to be a YouTuber talking about, hey, I chef for 15 years. Like, that doesn't really matter when it comes to the offer you're putting out, right? And you could do whatever we want with this site. Like, it could literally be a cooking page. It could be whatever. It doesn't even have to be specifically YouTube. I'm kind of just niching down to like my people's. But look, let's look at slide 3 now. This is what it says. Literally, come on now. Like, my success story. I walked the path you're on. Here's proof that the system works because I lived it. And it talks about everything that I've done. And it creates like these like little emojis and buttons. These are so cool. Like, I'm so impressed with how AI literally, like, oh my gosh, what is this? I started exactly where you are now, feeling stuck in my direction, though I built it. Okay, so it explains what I did. It made me a little quote here too. What? So now that we did this, how do I actually get this going as a design? What you're gonna want to do is open up use and design, this top right button, click it, and you want to press website. And what it's going to do, it's going to create literally a whole website thing for you. So now that you're here, you can pretty much just double click it and scroll down, and it has all the buttons that you talked about. Now, if you want to make any more changes before you launch your website, you'd have to go back and say, chat, erase the word online or whatever in the first slide. And be specific too. If you just say remove the word call, it might remove every call word that says on here. You know what I'm saying? So be careful. Make sure you describe it. Like, hey, on the second slide, on the third slide. This is the one that I've built just to show you guys some proof, and you guys can check it out in the description. This button brings me down all the way to the last slide, but there's also these other pages that talk about what I have to offer. I changed the background color to blue, and I was like, hey, on the second slide, can you make it more of like blue for the background and everything, and follow that for the third slide as well? And it did that. You know what I'm saying? So whatever you input is exactly what it's going to output for you. It's just displaying your mind. It's literally like you're telling it your imagination. It's kind of creating it for you. It's pretty cool. And then I have why trust me, my YouTube channel, No Limit CJ, proven results. And I have examples of my work. And what I did, I pasted a link inside of this to showcase people, hey, these are my YouTube videos that I have created. And unfortunately, I could not put my YouTube videos for some reason. If you ever try to put a YouTube video with like the link way I showed you guys, it's gonna basically say YouTube video has been blocked. At least for me. I don't know if it work. You can try it for yourself, but for me, it was saying this link is blocked. So what I did, I put this little link me thing, like that's kind of like Linktree and stuff. And here you can access my actual website. You can access my other stuff like my personal channel, my gaming channel, fake channel. And the weird thing is, as of recently, like literally, like probably a couple days ago, now these links aren't working. It's saying it's blocked. It's so weird. I don't know how to really like get this concrete, and I might have to remove it from my site because I really do want to include proof, of course. But if I can't, hey, that's tough. Maybe I'll just say look up my name. But if I can find something for you, I'll pin it in the comment section below. It's a little weird though. They're kind of restricted with it as far as what you can look up. But I do have that little slide. I'm gonna refine it, and then I have ready to book your free call. And that was the same link I showed you guys with Calendly. There's so much more you can do. I haven't really done one thing with offers yet, but I kind of just showed you guys a system to it. There's other websites you can use like Stripe if you want to create an offer and people can pay you right then and there on that website. You can connect one of the buttons to say, hey, for this button, kind of like how I said a couple of things ago, for the button schedule my call, use this link, Calendly, right? You can say, hey, for this button, pay now, use this link, and then maybe it's your Stripe link where people can just find your PayPal and everything just with a click of a button. So you guys can design it for whatever usage you have. My website's more of like a free one, and then I hope to learn people's pain points and help people, coach people. We're in such a new time now where you don't need permission to get started with anything. You don't need an LLC. You don't need approval for anybody else. Just start. Like if you have a dream to build a business, go for it. And you can get a lot of support from AI and all these amazing websites to really help you get off the ground and faster. We're in a time where now is the best time to get started. So get started now and as soon as possible. If you guys want to add YouTube video links to your website, because it took me a long time to learn this, what you're going to want to do is click on the page one time, not double click it, but one time. Press position, press layers, and then press this little white background. You're going to zoom out. You're going to drag it as far, kind of really pretty far down, I ain't gonna lie. You see how the rest of the website's included now? So I'm going to bring this down and then scroll this up just a little bit. As you guys can see, now when we zoom in, it has like this whole long page of everything that I just worked on. And the only reason you would do this, in my opinion, is when you're trying to add a YouTube link. So say I wanted to put one of my videos, like this one right here, I'm gonna copy it. Make sure you don't click on the page and then you paste it in. It's gonna put an option for my YouTube video. So now when people preview the website, they can scroll down and they're gonna find my YouTube video. They can click on it and watch. Feel what I'm saying? It's pretty cool. And that's honestly, in my opinion, only if you're trying to put YouTube links. Only reason I say that is because, as you guys saw, it was like a whole drag just to get down here. Like, I'm just like, yo, this is like such a gap. And you can actually tell the AI to make the first slide more compressed so that the landing page is easier to access. You can literally tell it those words, even if it's a couple times, and press preview just to make sure that it worked, so that this little gap is not as present. I don't know what's up with this gap, bro. It's crazy. But yeah, that's that. This is how it'll look on mobile devices too. It'll say find your true fire. You scroll like pretty far down and then you get to this. But my favorite thing to do, actually, I'm just gonna undo everything and get it back to the normal way it was. This is how it looks on a website. If you don't do the YouTube video link, it looks kind of like how you would want it to look, right? Like it's a lot smaller, a lot more smoother. And then on a mobile device, they resize it for you. So this is how it looks. Boom, find your true fire, all these buttons. It looks a lot more accessible, right? A lot more mobile friendly. So that's what I would personally do. And if you feel like, hey, I honestly love how this website looks right now, let me just launch Imperfect and get started, which is honestly the best thing to do right now. You know, you are actually one publish button away from your website or a YouTube video from really seeing the growth that you want. So why not take the shots? You don't count in the shots that you've made in its due time. So why not take them? So if you feel like your thing's ready to go, you want to press publish website. Once you do that, you're going to want to press, before you post it, you want to press settings. You want to press search engine visibility on so people can look this up. Navigation menu on, and resize on mobile. In my opinion, I put that on. Resize on mobile, I put that on so that like the buttons look the way it did. And then social media link preview, when you send a link to people, people are going to see the thumbnail of your website. So I think you should put that on, absolutely. And then you press continue to publish, and then you press publish, and then it's going to say preparing your design. Here we go. Now the thing's up and run it. Let's go view this website, man. Here is your free creative website, all in a matter of a YouTube video and AI. Y'all, times are way different than they were before. You don't need permission to get started. You just need to give yourself permission to get started. So get started today. If I can encourage you guys with anything, start. Why not? It's literally the best time. The AI is literally, no one knows this. It doesn't matter how much wisdom you have in the online space. AI is frustrating the masterminds of YouTube. It's frustrating the masterminds of professors in college. It's frustrating everybody's mind because this is so new. No one knows it. Everybody's a student. Nobody's a master or expert at AI. It's all new info coming at you. So you should get started now. It's the best time. If you've been waiting to launch your website, launch that YouTube channel, get started today. I also am going to be coaching people on how to do stuff very similar to this, building websites, but most importantly, building your personal brand, helping it get off the ground, giving you the accountability, mindset shift, clarity and direction you need to get started and make income online. If that's interesting to you, check out my link in my description. I'm going to be doing one-on-one calls with a bunch of people to see where you are and if I can offer anything for you guys. With that being said, make sure you guys stay blessed. If you guys want to continue watching more content like this, I would definitely recommend watching this video. It might give you the insight you need to start building your personal brand on YouTube.